Hello, welcome to another tutorial with software designs. Today we'll be teaching you how to bring in your color palette. Come to Windows here, you see your color palette, locate it, then come to palette here, click on it, and then you see a drop down. Let's drag it down a bit from here, drag. Then you will see your CNYK color, you see your RGB color. Click on your CNYK color like this, then come and see, you click on your RGB color and you see this is the CNYK color, this is the RGB color. But if you want to distinguish between them, your RGB palette here, you can click and hold here and then drag down to the center like this, to the down button, then allow it to drop there. You can view your RGB color here and then view your CNYK color here. Then you close this. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more updates.